Welcome, students of Europe Hotel School London, or EHOS.
It is so glad to have you here studying online with our school.
All right, so let's kick things off with data driven marketing and customer insights. We're talking about the crucial role of analytics in food and beverage marketing today, right?
Absolutely. And it's really fascinating how data analytics is transforming strategic decisions in the F&B industry. Person 2. Yeah,
Right, it's like guest behavior analysis stands at the heart of it all. Restaurants use it to determine how often visitors come, what they spend, and even which menu items they favor. Person one. Hmm.
so in essence, every bite and every sip provides insights that guide those strategic decisions. Exactly, right?
Exactly. And it's not just about observing behavior, it's also about evaluating promotional and digital campaign success by measuring engagement, conversion ratios, and ROI. Person one, yay.
That makes sense. When you mention ROI assessment, it really underscores how every marketing dollar is scrutinized. But tell me, how do segmentation and forecasting tie in?
Well, segmentation is kind of the process where customer profiles are broken down by demographics, psychological traits, and even geographic analysis, and forecasting leverages historical data to predict market demand, seasonal trends, and even inventory needs. Person one. Hmm, exactly.
That's pretty robust. So, we're basically setting up a system that aligns every decision with actual data points, kind of like a well calibrated compass for marketing, right?
Right. It's like having a high tech navigation system that points you exactly where the guest's expectations are heading. And speaking of technology, let's talk analytics tools.
Yes, exactly. We have CRM systems tracking guest engagement, social media analytics measuring reach and sentiment, and POS systems delivering real time sales insights. So many tools.
Mm-hmm. And not to forget those predictive analytics models. They're like a crystal ball, helping restaurants foresee guest desires and adjust their marketing approach accordingly. It's a game changer, for sure.
I agree, but I gotta ask, do you really think relying on predictive models is foolproof? Sometimes market behavior can be erratic, right?
That's a fair point. While no model is entirely without risk, combining historical data with real time analytics gives a more grounded prediction. It's more about improving strategies over time rather than predicting every single twist and turn.
True, it's more iterative. And, EHOS really emphasizes this iterative learning approach for future industry leaders.
Absolutely. And speaking of real world applications, consider the case study of Alain Ducasse. This brand leverages analytics to detect valuable guests and to maximize its digital marketing efforts.
It's impressive how they use data not just for operational adjustments, but also to fine tune loyalty programs and promotional decisions, isn't it?
Exactly, and every tweak in their strategy is underpinned by analytical insights drawn from digital engagement metrics, reservation figures, and campaign conversions. It's like a feedback loop that continuously enhances their approach.
And that ensures that the brand maintains its high standards and aligns closely with guest expectations. EHOS truly instills that kind of strategic mindset, right?
Definitely, EHOS prides itself on creating leaders who can harness data to make informed decisions. Now, another key aspect of this whole discussion is measuring success via metrics and KPIs.
Right. Like tracking digital engagement, booking conversions, guest retention, and even customer lifetime value, or CLV, which tells you so much about overall service effectiveness, person 2.
Exactly. And they also use sentiment analysis from reviews, comments, and social listening to gauge how the brand is being perceived. It's a holistic approach that captures both numbers and feelings.
It's quite ingenious, really, using both quantitative and qualitative data to shape future marketing strategies. But wouldn't you say that sometimes focusing too much on numbers might overshadow the creative side of marketing?
I see what you mean, and that's a valid concern. But it turns out combining data with creative intuition makes the strategy more robust. It's like, a dance between art and science.
Right. It's this blend of analytics and creativity that really sets a brand apart nowadays. And with EHOS encouraging innovation, Our future professionals are well versed in this balance.
Exactly. And when reapplying lessons from successful campaigns, modifications in messaging, visuals, and promotional timing can be iteratively refined. It helps in forecasting future trends and optimizing innovative strategies.
That sounds like a winning recipe. And to circle back, EHOS is really making sure its students understand how these analytical insights can directly improve not just marketing efficiency, but also customer satisfaction and loyalty.
Precisely, and the Alain Ducasse case study brings that home. Their use of analytics covers everything from digital engagement trends to detailed reservation metrics, ensuring they hit the sweet spot between guest expectations and operational excellence.
That kind of comprehensive insights truly underline the critical value of data analytics in the F&B sector. No wonder EHOS, with its forward-thinking approach, is shaping a new era of hospitality expertise.
Absolutely. And it's exactly this forward thinking and innovative learning environment at EHOS that prepares students to navigate a data centric marketing landscape. Person 1, yeah.
It's really about using every tool at your disposal to create an experience that resonates with guests and drives meaningful engagement.
Right. And over time, by replicating the best performing campaigns and refining the strategies based on detailed metrics, the industry evolves. Analytics isn't a magic bullet, but it's the backbone for modern F&B marketing.
Agreed? And while it may seem overwhelming at first, the integration of these technologies is exactly what gives brands a competitive edge. Plus, it's super exciting to be part of this transformation. Person 2.
For sure. And with hands-on tools like CRM, social media analytics, and advanced POS systems, culinary marketing becomes a well-oiled machine. And remember, EHOS takes pride in ensuring their students get this practical, data-driven insight.
Absolutely. And it's clear that whether it's analyzing guest behavior, predicting inventory needs, or refining promotional strategies, data is the key driver EHOS continues to lead by example.
Exactly. So to all the students tuning in, keep those analytics tools sharp, keep experimenting, and remember, your strategy, no matter how creative, is only as good as the data that underpins it. EHOS is all about that balance.
Well said. And thanks for such an enlightening discussion today. We hope everyone at EHOS finds these insights both inspiring and practical for shaping the future of F&B marketing.
What is the primary purpose of analytics in F&B marketing? Which tool helps restaurants track guest interactions and preference history? What does forecasting help restaurants do? Which metric is essential for measuring success in innovative F&B marketing? How does Alain Ducasse use analytics effectively?